In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Lidl Plus. First, you will want to locate the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official application marketplace for all Android apps. Look for the icon that resembles a shopping bag, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you have found the Google Play Store, tap on it to open it up. This is an important step because accessing the correct store ensures you download the right version of the app. Next, you will need to search for the Lidl Plus app. At the top of the Google Play Store, you will see a search bar. Tap on this search bar to activate it and then type in Lidl Plus. Make sure you spell it correctly as this will help you find the app efficiently. After entering the name, you will see a list of search results. This step is crucial because it directs you to the app you want to install. Now, select the official Lidl Plus app from the search results. You will recognize it by its distinct logo and the name Lidl Plus. The developer should also be listed as Lidl. This identification is key because it ensures you are downloading the correct app and not a look-alike. Once you find it, simply tap on the app to proceed. At this point, you are ready to install the app. You will see an Install button for Android devices or Get for iPhone users. Tap on this button to begin the downloading process. This action is essential as it initiates the installation of the app onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You will know it is complete when the button changes to Open. Once the app has been successfully installed, you can open it right away. Simply tap the Open button that appears after installation. If you missed that, you can also find the Lidl Plus app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the app is the first step towards enjoying all the features Lidl Plus has to offer. Next, you will need to sign in or create an account to start using the app. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password in the respective fields. This step is vital because signing in allows you to access personalized features and promotions. If you do not have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one by tapping Register and following the prompts. After you tap Register, you will be guided through a simple process to create your account. This usually includes providing your email address and choosing a password. It is important to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Following these prompts will ensure that your registration goes smoothly. Now, the next step involves selecting your country and store. The app will prompt you to choose the correct country or region where you are located, as well as your preferred Lidl store. This customization is important because it helps tailor the app's offerings to your local area, ensuring you receive the most relevant deals and promotions. Finally, you can start using the app. Once you have completed all the steps, you will be ready to explore everything Lidl Plus has to offer. Whether it's checking out current deals or managing your shopping list, the app is designed to enhance your shopping experience. You can feel confident knowing that you have successfully installed Lidl Plus and are now set to enjoy its benefits.